Now take a few minutes to pause the video and tell me what's wrong with this code. Yeah, nothing, you guessed right. But what if I told you there was a better way and a more cleaner approach to write the same code? Did you know you can simplify if-else statements using object mapping? First off, we would declare a variable called invitation card using the const keyword and assign an object of a string value to the key red, gold, silver, black, and blue. Then we create a variable called user invitation card to store the type of the user card. Note, this could be any of the keys declared in the invitation card object. Thereafter, we create a variable called check invitation card and assign a return statement of the selected card. What we basically did was to perform a dynamic lookup of the value associated with the key stored in the user invitation card object. Then we simply log out the value of the user invitation card, leaving us with the output in the console. Watch when I change the value of the user invitation card to gold. We get the expected value returned on the console, likewise blue as well. What if we include a user invitation card that's not present in the invitation card object, like green? We get undefined. Now this doesn't make sense, as we need to give the user a more clearer response like this. Now take a few seconds, pause the video. How do we solve this? I would like to see your solution. To solve this, we will declare an if statement to check if invitation card is undefined. If it is, we log out the correct value or response to the user and execute a return statement to block the execution of line 18. If we run the code, we now get the correct result or response. However, there is a better way to do this. Of course, using the knowledge correlation operator. To do this, we use the double question mark operator and a default message. Whenever the user invitation card returns undefined, we want to return the default message. Let's run the code, and voila, we get the same result. But this time, it's a lot better with clean code, which means we can avoid long if-else statements or switch statements and even dynamically access values using variables as keys. What's more even interesting is scalability. We can now add and even modify options, like adding a new invitation card color is as simple as updating the object. This approach is a great example of how objects with clean code can streamline your JavaScript code. So do you know how to simplify if-else statement using object mapping? Now, if you find this tip very insightful and helpful, kindly leave this video a like, share with your fellow developers, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick coding tips in this series. See you next time, and always happy coding.